Unveiling the Cover Shot, a snapshot into English phrases. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English and make sense of its colorful expressions. Today, we're putting the spotlight on a phrase that's often heard but not always fully understood: cover shot. Whether you're a budding photographer, a magazine editor, or just curious about English phrases, this video is crafted for you. So, let's zoom in and capture the essence of cover shot. The term cover shot primarily refers to the photograph or image that graces the front cover of a publication, such as a magazine, book, or album. It's not just any image, it's the star of the show that stands out to attract viewers. This image is carefully selected for its eye-catching appeal and its ability to convey the essence or theme of the content within. Venturing beyond the literal cover shot can also be metaphorically used in other contexts. It signifies anything that is considered the highlight or the most prominent feature of a particular event, situation, or discussion. It's like a figurative snapshot that captures the most important aspect that one should pay attention to. Let's take a look at how cover shot is used in everyday conversation. Did you see the cover shot of the latest fashion magazine? It's absolutely stunning. The keynote speech at the conference was the cover shot of the entire event. Our team's victory in the last second of the game was the cover shot of the sports news tonight. In these examples, cover shot either refers to the literal picture on a magazine or highlights the most noteworthy element in a given scenario. To deepen your understanding, imagine cover shot as a visual metaphor. Just as a photographer selects a cover shot, language allows us to highlight our experiences and thoughts by choosing words that capture the attention of our audience. It's all about framing the conversation in a way that's engaging and memorable. And there you have it, a close-up look at the phrase, cover shot. We hope this explanation helps you frame your English learning journey in a new light and adds another expressive snapshot to your linguistic gallery. Until next time, keep exploring the beauty of English, and may your conversations always be picture perfect.